It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah. Hello and welcome to In the Hall of the Mountain King. Doesn't that seem very regal? Kings should be announced with power. They represent millions of people, an entire kingdom. I don't know, something like that. Whatever. Mountain King. Mountains are big and strong and loud. When the rock falls, a boulder, a mountain crumbles. Big sound. And that's kind of what this song is supposed to be like, a big, scary, mountainous kind of song. And we're going to start with line 1, and line 1 has some tricks, so we have to pay careful attention today. Ready? We're going to start with measure 1. Measure 1's not so bad, but we are going to start on the D string. D, open D, that's our third one in right there, see? And then a D1 on the yellow line. And then 2, and then 4. So that's measure 1. That's not so bad. This isn't the hard part of the line. Oh, 1, 2, 4. Okay, now measure 2. We're going to switch between the open A and D2 and open A again. Not so bad, but a little changing, right? You have to keep that 2 in the right spot. Try it again. Go 0, 2, 0. And then measure 3, we're going to go sharp 4. Now sharp 4 is going to raise up from the normal position. Here we usually have 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the blue line. We're going to move 4 up to the white line like that. It raises it what's called a half step higher. And it sounds like this. Now the pinky is our weakest finger, so make sure you're pressing it down very hard. 4, like that. And then regular 1 on the yellow line. And then right back to the sharp 4. Try that again. Let's hear sharp 4, 1, sharp 4. All right, now the last measure is regular 4, but then it has a flat 1. Flat 1 is going to move this down to the white line. Now sometimes I take the white line off the don't frets if the sticker part that we put on here interferes with the string vibrating. Then I usually remove that first one. So if you don't have a white line, just move the yellow up higher toward the top of your instrument like that, and it should sound like this. Flat 1. Do it one more time. Flat 1. Now let's hear 4, flat 1, 4. Your turn. One more time. 4, flat 1, 4. Okay, and that's all we're going to do for right now, but I'm going to play through the whole line, and I want you to try to play along, and then you can practice this one on your own. You got to get really good at those high 4s and the flat 1s. Here we go. Measure 1. I'm going to play through the whole line, though. So 1, 2, open D string, go. Oh, 1, 2, 4, open A, D2, open A for 2 beats. And now our sharp 4, 1, sharp 4, and then regular 4, flat 1, 4. What a lot of work! Let's do it again. Let's practice it together a little bit. 1, 2, open D, go. Oh, 1, 2, 4, open A, D2, open A. Now our sharp 4, 1, sharp 4, and then regular 4, flat 1, 4. One more time together. Open D. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, 1, 2, 4, open A, D2, open A, sharp 4, 1, sharp 4, then regular 4, flat 1, 4. Done. That'll be good for now. Hopefully after a couple of times it felt a little bit easier. You should start to get the hang of it. Practice it a bunch on your own. Make sure you get really good at getting up to that sharp 4 and that flat 1, because these are all the finger positions that we use in first position on our instrument. So if you can do the high 4 and the low 1, then you got it. That's pretty much all we have to do. I guess we use high 2s and 3s as well, and sometimes we do a double high 4, but pretty much you got all the regular positions. These are the important ones. That's all we're going to do for today. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job.
I'm sorry, pretty good. Is that a wrap? Everybody! Great job. That's all right. Nice work. Real solid.